We have a quick question here from Patrick saying that he really likes the ADR indicator that we use on our charts. Let me just show you guys what these look like. And he wants to know how we can go about finding this ADR indicator. So Patrick, let me just go to a blank chart. So the one that we use is obviously one that is available on Tradingview, and I'm going to show you how to find it. So if you just go to indicators, we obviously have it saved here as a favorite, but let's just search. You can see its name is bracket JS bracket average daily range daily DTFL, and it's from this creator, George Silvestrini. So obviously the JS. So if you just type in JS into the search bar, you'll obviously find a whole lot of indicators that is made by this same creator, and you'll find loads and loads of other ones in there. And the one that we obviously want to use is the average daily range. If you just type in JS and you type in average daily range, then that should give you the one that you're looking for. And if we just click on that one, I'm going to show you how we set it up. So you'll see it populates a load of different options here. And we basically selected the top one for red, just because it's obviously resistance and support, makes it a little bit easier to view. And then in terms of the look back, we don't really want any look back. In terms of perimeter, yeah, you can use anything from 2 weeks, which is basically 10 trading days, or you can use 21, which is normally one that I prefer to use. It gives you a month look back in terms of volatility. And that's really as easy as that. Now, if you don't use Tradingview like we do, one of our subscribers actually found a MT4 indicator that is to the T the same as this one, but for MT4. And the way that you can find that one, this is the link that he gave us. Sorry, turn off that squawk. So this is the link that you can use. It's from fxdayjob.com, and it's best ADR indicator MT4. So if you just type in that into your Google browser, you should be able to find it. And there's a little link for you to download the exact indicator. It gives you some instructions on how to install it and how to load it as well. So a couple of things there that you can look for with regards to the ADR indicator for MT4 as well. So I hope that helps, Patrick. Any other questions, please don't hesitate to let us know.